Here's how to use the Scalp Therapy Shampoo to cleanse deeply and support a peaceful scalp. First, wet your hair thoroughly. Then apply a generous amount of shampoo to your scalp. For short, fine hair, we suggest roughly a dime or nickel-sized amount. For medium hair, a quarter-sized amount. And for longer, thicker hair, we suggest an amount roughly the size of a silver dollar. Gently massage the Scalp Therapy Shampoo into your scalp for roughly 1 minute. For additional exfoliation, use a scalp scrubber to clear any excess flakes. Let the shampoo sit for at least 2 minutes. Use that time to think happy thoughts of a clear scalp. Rinse the shampoo and repeat the process if you're struggling with severe flaking. For best results, pre-treat with the Calming Seborrheic Serum, then moisturize with the MCT Scalp Moisturizer. Allow both of those to sit overnight or a minimum of 2 hours before washing. If you have any questions about caring for your skin, send us a message at support@dermazen.com. We're ready to help.